This is what to do if you've had a nightmare and you're scared in the night. So, what you're going to do is, if you have a tablet, phone, anything, you're going to quickly just get that and play on it for a while until you feel nice, freshen up, and go back to sleep. If not, go downstairs with a drink. That always helps. Drink, and you will feel better. If you don't really want to do any of that, read a book. Just read a nice little book. Or if you don't do that, just watch a film. Watch a film is a good thing to do because it'll just freshen up, makes you so horror film. Look outside maybe, just look outside at the window, at the cars going past, and that makes you feel like more nice. What else could you do? Just take deep breaths and you'll wander back to sleep. And you feel much more better after it. If this video sort of helped you, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.